Let's create a Divi Child theme with extra social media icons that you always wanted. First, you need to go to www.elegantmarketplace.com. You can find the link in the description. Now you need to fill these details and give a thumbnail image. Once you have done that, just go on and download the theme by clicking on the button below. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's upload and install our new child theme. There you go. Now, you have activated the child theme. Let's go to the Divi theme options and see if we have all new set of icons for us. This is wonderful. Now, this will make our life easy to add new social media icons to our website.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button and share with your friends.